Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and today I'm going to do a really quick, brief introduction and demonstration on how to use the public preview feature in Ghost. This is for those of us building membership sites where you are restricting your content and you have, let's say, both members only content, paying members only content, and then, of course, prior to that, you have publicly available content. So as you can see, this post here, I just picked a random one, is gated, right? It's restricted, so people can only access this if they sign up for our community. And they get no real sort of teaser content or no context or nothing that offers any explanatory power for what this opportunity that I'm mentioning in the title may be, right? So in the past with Ghost, you only had the ability to use the excerpt, and that was where you could, with, I don't know, maybe a couple hundred, characters, describe what was in the protected post, right? Which is here. And that's not really all that effective. So they have this new feature, which is called public previews, which is really awesome. And I'm going to show you, this is the back end of the same post, right? So it's all of this is restricted, right? Because if you look in here, it has a members only access point. So in the past, the only thing that people could see was the excerpt, and the rest of this was gated or restricted. But with this new public um, preview functionality, right, you're going to see in a second how to restrict this content wherever it is within the body of the post that you choose. So here's all the content, and I'm actually going to restrict it in some arbitrary spot. Let's say right here. We're going to go here to the public preview. Boom. Now you can see above this here is for free, is publicly available, publicly viewable, and below this arrow, this is all restricted. So you have to actually sign in to access this content. All right, let's update this, and you'll see immediately a difference in the post. That easy, right? So now this is restricted below this part here, and you actually have to sign up to get access to read the rest of the content. Very easy, very efficient, very elegant, much. This is built into Ghost, right? So there's not this external plugin or any other dependencies that are required. It just, again, is another way that Ghost is really empowering us as creators, makers, marketers, teachers, authors, and essentially online entrepreneurs to own our own, to build our brands on our own lands. If you want to actually see this live in the world, go to community.mindfulmarketplace.com. That's our community blog and community platform. And yeah, really, really easy. If you need help with setting up your Ghost members or subscription site, send an email to ian@mindfulmarketplace.com. And, this is not really a post ideally that I would restrict at all. This is actually something that we're just sharing with everybody. So I'm going to unrestrict this. But if you actually need some help building your brand, your business, or your online entrepreneurial sort of thing in 2021, we are committed to giving away 20% of our work for the rest of the year. So send an email if you're really financially strapped or having trouble sort of getting your inspired ideas out into the world. I am, if I can, I'm able, or if I'm able to help you for free. We have a contingent of pro bono work that we're doing every month, and I would love to be able to help you if you fall into that particular category. So teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.